What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol GROM for Grom Social Enterprises. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be a bit of an update. We've talked about it in the past. We have our daily roadmap, so let's jump right into the 30-minute perspective here. Obviously, over the past couple of days, we've seen a huge increase in volume, leading to a breakout higher, recapturing some of these areas in here around 450, noting that was the prior, sort of all-time highs essentially in this name. So to me, that's the line in the sand. Now, from the daily perspective, the candle that we printed on today's session is not so promising. Obviously, we would classify this as an inverted hammer, large upper wick here, basically indicating that there was some significant sell-side pressure. So if there is any more downside, 450 is firstly the number to hold. Obviously, we're trading just above it, about 25 cents higher right now. But if it breaks, right, that really opens up the door for lower here to about $3.66. And again, on something trading sub 5, that's a significant move in terms of percentage points, okay? So please be careful underneath $4.50. In terms of how the move actually unfolded from an intraday perspective, let's take out the fibs and look through that lens. So coming in from the low of the 930 bar all the way on up to the high. Let me drag that to the left so we can see here. So obviously, in the beginning stages, yes, healthy consolidation was happening here, but into the end of the day, right, 38.2 was taken, the 50 was taken, and the 61.8 was taken. And now that we've closed a number of candles below 1 and 2 here, I would say it's, fairly likely that we actually see a 100% retracement. So again, 450 needs to be your line in the sand. If we take it out lower, maybe there's a bump in the road here, again, looking at the 30-minute perspective, but from the daily, it's really back down to this 366. So again, that bump in the road might come at and around this 405, 4 whole dollar if you like using nice round numbers. But again, really not the most strong support. I would argue the next major level is still that 366. So that's what I'm seeing in terms of downside risk. To the upside, obviously on a reversal, this is the number to beat. Up here at 588, obviously there's no real structure in the middle here. So again, I'm just not seeing a very clear setup in terms of where you go long. Maybe if we start printing hammers here at the 450, indecision doji candles here at the 450, basically things that make us question, right? Is this ending? Can we flip long over the highs here and confirm this as support? Maybe that's the entry. And again, you're looking for a retracement up towards these highs with a stop underneath the lows of whatever candles print just below that 450, right? That's how I would sort of look at this as a potential play into the remainder of the week, notably just Friday here, and even the beginnings of next week, okay? So it's all going to boil down to this one level right here, this 450. If you enjoyed today's video or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.